adventure and the scrambler are absolutely at home with these events. So you'll see a lot more of trail attacks.
We are at Pro Dirt Adventure. Jawa SD has done a fantastic job in picking up the place. There's a lot of things we can learn here.
Mr. Sunny and Mr. Nelly, they were absolute professionals in guiding us, going through the theory lessons, starting from body positioning, handlebar positioning, how to pick up the bike when it's fallen.
इस प्रोग्राम से पहले तो मैंने रोड पर ही चलाई, हाईवे पर चलाई, लेकिन अभी मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है कि शायद मैं लद्दाख जाऊं और ऑफ रोडिंग भी करूं, एडवेंचर भी करूं.
This event has got really good potential because this teaches you how to ride properly on off-road trails, especially when you have adventure bikes or scrambler, any off-road oriented bikes. You will eventually go to some places where there are no roads. So at these situations, these kind of learnings will help you on the road, and it will also make you become a better rider.